Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming exactly where the blazer is too big and prepare for a permanent fix. You will tailor it. Put the blazer on over the clothes you normally wear and note shoulders, chest, waist, and sleeve length. Once done, unpick lining edges where necessary so you can access side seams and darts. Measure how much you must remove, mark with chalk, and pin while checking movement. Make small adjustments so you don't overcut. This sets the precise plan for sewing. Now you execute the core tailoring work, taking in seams. First, transfer your pin marks to the inside seam allowance and measure matching distances on both sides, typically between 0.5 and 2 inches depending on fit. Sew new seam lines slowly, using a straight stitch and backstitching at the start and end to secure. Once sewn, try the blazer on again to confirm fit. Then trim excess fabric, leaving a modest seam allowance, and finish raw edges. Finish by reattaching the lining and restoring hems and vents. Hand stitch where needed for an invisible finish. Press all new seams flat with a steam iron at the correct fabric temperature to set stitches and shape. Use a pressing cloth for wool or delicate fibers. Once done, put the blazer on and test full range of motion. Raise arms, sit, and button to ensure no pulling. If you see puckering or uneven lines, relax machine tension, let out a small seam, or seek a professional tailor for stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.